Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to disable the Protect Your Posts feature on X, formerly Twitter, using your PC. Let's get started and make your posts visible to everyone. First, open your browser and navigate to the X website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the homepage, look at the left-hand menu and locate the More icon. Click on it to expand additional options. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Under this section, click on Your Account and then proceed to Account Information. At this point, you might be prompted to enter your password for security purposes. Once verified, scroll down until you find the option labeled Protected Posts. Click on it to access the settings. Here, you'll see a toggle or checkbox for Protect Your Posts. Simply disable this option. By doing so, your posts will no longer be restricted to approved followers, and they will become publicly visible. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the protection on your posts. Now anyone can view and engage with your content without requiring approval. Thank you for following along. If this tutorial was helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need assistance. Enjoy a more open experience on X.